I will narrate. Honey, what's going on?
Oh, trail here is closed due to erosion. That kind of sucks.
Did you remember your sunscreen?
No, I didn't. Maybe we should go back up. Oh.
What's going on? Can we walk on it?
No, it is closed.
What's going on? Can we walk on it?
No.
What's the point of that?
Reporting from Tower Falls, we're very disappointed to know that due to erosion, the trail has ended here. We were prepared to watch the beautiful, magnificent cascading of the water, but now we have nowhere else to go.